this crap going on right now. On top of that, I need content on the garage journal. I need content on the jalopy journal. And to be honest, all I really want to do is work on that. I'm doing all kinds of motor stuff, and one of the things I need to do is rejet the carbs. But I don't know. I'm sure everybody gets in that place where, like, responsibly, you need to be working, making a living, but all you really want to do is have fun. And I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone here, man. Like, this post is probably not all that relevant to the jalopy journal, although maybe I can make it so. It is, however, pretty relevant to the garage journal. What I have here is, I talked about Gridfinity before. This is just a little case with a Gridfinity base and a Gridfinity top. So, you know, a Gridfinity bin will fit in it. The top will go on. And, you know, you're good to go. So I'm actually building this to be a carburetor jet storage bin of sorts. And yeah, it just kind of shows just how handy 3D printing can be in the shop. I use it constantly. And this little bin is, you know, just one way. I have Gridfinity all over my shop and office, but I use it for other things in the wood shop. I use it for prototyping a little bit with hot rod stuff, not a ton, but it does get used. And this print was just a couple of hours, and it solves a problem that I've always had, and that's just the organization of carburetor jets. Little things. I know a lot of guys keep them on wires and things like that. I've never really done that. I've always just had them loose in a bin or in the little plastic, you know, case that they come in, but they're separate. This way, let me get this bolt on here and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we're assembled. Here is, zoom out a little bit. Here's our case. And so, carburetor jets, separated by size, nice and organized. Got some idle screws and those little plunger things that always leak. All in a little self-contained case. And when you need your jets, you're organized and ready to go. I just had an idea to make this a little bit more relevant to the jalopy journal. Hang on, here we go. Speaking of carburetor jets, I don't really know how rare this is. Let me see how tight I can get. Focus. But this is a snap-on Stromberg jet socket. I've never seen another one, but this was actually given to me by a family member of Ed Iskandarian. And I looked, I think it was made in like 63 or 4, I think. It's pretty old. But I've never seen another one. And yeah, pretty damn cool. Let me know if you've ever seen one of these or if you know the age of it. It's kind of a cherished object of mine for obvious reasons, but yeah, I guess I could keep that in the case too. Anyways, I'm gonna go quickly edit this, put it on both the garage journal and the jalopy journal, and then I am going to go work on my hot rod. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later.